Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. So this is the official start of day 2 and my day 2 vlog of Italy tour 2022. What a beautiful morning. सुबह के इस टाइम तकरीबन शार्प 7 बज रहे हैं और इस टाइम हम जो बिल्कुल सिटी सेंटर डाउनटाउन का एरिया है, बोलोनिया का फैशन स्ट्रीट कहलाती है ये पूरी, बिकॉज ऑल द फेमस फैशन ब्रांड्स आर राइट इन फ्रंट ऑफ आवर होटल. आप देख सकते हैं ये पूरी फैशन स्ट्रीट है, वेरी ट्रेडिशनल. ये रही और दिस इज़ आवर होटल एंड आई जस्ट गॉट डन विद द ब्रेकफास्ट. बहुत अच्छा ब्रेकफास्ट था, इटालियन या यूरोपियन ब्रेकफास्ट हमेशा से ही मुझे अपील करता है. उसका रीज़न ये है कि बहुत अच्छी, बहुत ज़बरदस्त जो है बेसिकली क्रोसॉन्स होते हैं उसके अंदर. आई एम ऑल्सो रेडी. आई एम आई गॉट अप एट 6 AM इन द मॉर्निंग. आई एम अ मॉर्निंग पर्सन और पाकिस्तान में भी मेरी रूटीन जो है वो अमूमन जो है जल्दी उठने की होती है. सो आई गॉट अप, आई प्रिपेयर्ड माई सेल्फ और ब्रेकफास्ट किया एंड नाउ एन्जॉइंग द कॉफ़ी आउटसाइड माई होटल. और एक ज़बरदस्त जो है वो फ्रेश एयर जो है वो इन्जॉय कर रहे हैं, लोगों की यहाँ पे चहल पहल को इन्जॉय कर रहे हैं. एंड द सिटी गोज़ ऑन. तो जो वो एक मूविंग का जो बेसिकली एक फ़ील होता है ना, तो वो बेसिकली सबसे ज़्यादा आपको इंस्पायर कर रहा होता है. सो दिस इज़ इट. इंशाल्लाह विल टेक यू टू द डे. थैंक यू. Hello everyone, so the day officially starts now. The EIMA 2022 official van is here to pick up the delegates for the EIMA Exhibition Fair 2022. Hello everyone, good morning. This is Bilal Nazar Sibtain, officially representing Pakistani delegation at EIMA 2022 fair at Bologna, Italy. So let me take you and give you a tour of EIMA 2022 with the Pakistani delegation participating today in this exhibition. Here you go guys, the official opening of EIMA 2022, the world's biggest, one of the biggest exhibition of agricultural and industrial machineries in Bologna, Italy. These are the range of mini tractors that can be used for the gardening purposes or fruit farms. This is a famous tractor brand of Ferrari It's an Italian brand and a very famous brand over here. Okay, this is an upcoming launch of a tractor that is 100% on electric, and you can imagine the level of efficiency it brings into the agriculture of Pakistan when you actually using solar power or green energy to charge this tractor and to run on your agricultural farms, as well as all the vehicles is on electric 100%. So we have now entered into hall number 18 and 20 to see more of the exhibitors here. And you can see a lot of kiosks placed here just for the facilitation of the participants. These are the maps available for EIMA 2022, that in which hall, which of the exhibitors are existing. So we are moving forwards from one hall to another hall just to see a lot of exhibitors that representing agricultural and industrial machineries over here. It's a huge exhibition center in Bologna.
Turkish machinery.
Guys, let me show you one beautiful thing. This is a technology of automated driving actually. You can see a simulation over here that a tractor or a machinery is being driven without a driver. So this is a beautiful technology. You can see the movement in the steering right now.
Yes, I met him. Yes.
Welcome to Bologna. Hope you enjoy the visit. This is the second largest show in the world for agriculture, and very big and very specialized for horticulture and for fruit and vegetables. Okay.
Thank you.
We have also technologies for the open field crops like cereals, oilseeds, and forage. We have a showcase named EIMA Digital in Pavilion 37. 37. Sorry, I have to collect some delegates.
Please.
I will be back in the International Pavilion.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you for coming. Thank you for your job.
Thank you very
Thanks
much.
a lot. I hope to
Thank you.
visit Pakistan one day.
Looking
I was
forward.
many years ago in Islamabad.
Yes. Looking forward to host you. Yes. Looking forward to host you.
Okay. I was in Islamabad and Karachi, but 2 days, 1 day.
Just for 2
You
days.
remember?
Yeah, I remember.
Yes.
Guys, look at this beautiful, beautiful bot. Amazing technology. This is an automated machine, you know. It can go into the farms and work itself without an operator or driver. You just need to, you know, set the automation. Beautiful technology. They have just set up a mock farm over here, and massive technology we have just experienced here. Look at this massive, I can say that this is a monster for the agricultural land. Beautiful machinery, massive technology. Guys, this is lunchtime here in EIMA 2022 and we are in the exhibition hall. I want to show you the presentation of food and the lunch they are serving here. So we have vegetarian options. This is a pasta, and you know that Italy is very famous for the pasta. And this is pasta with the meat. This is the vegetable options.
Zucchini. It's a vegetable?
Yes,
And it's tomato. This is salad? Yes, this is pork.
This is the dessert bar. Wow. And last time when I came to EIMA, so I have tried this. This is a pistachio ice cream. These are the beverages and drinks section.